Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making a popsicle squishy. So before I start this video, I just want to say that I'm sorry I cut off half of the footage. All I did was rip a piece of foam off of the thingy-mabobby and started cutting it into a popsicle shape. So yeah. Now before you watch this video, you need to click that subscribe button and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see more. Bye! So here I am taking my foam and just shaping it into a popsicle shape. My foam already came pink, so it wasn't really a problem for me to color it or anything, which I was so lucky. But I'm still kind of disappointed that I had to cut off the beautiful foam and shape it into this, because look at all of that mess I made down there, and I have to clean that up. Okay. That's a problem. So I'm just gonna time-lapse this and put some nice music to it, because I figured you guys probably don't want to hear me talk through the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and watch my next video. Bye! Okay, so here is the completed squishy. All I did off camera was cut a small hole in the bottom of the squishy and made it really deep. And then I put a popsicle stick inside to make it a popsicle. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and watch my next video. I just want to say that I really appreciate you guys, and please give me feedback in the comments about what you think about my videos. Bye!